Greetings RC friends, welcome to Props and Wheels and to another review of an RC truck. If you have been following our channel, you know that I am new to RC cars and trucks, but I enjoy them nevertheless. I received one as a gift during my last birthday, it was last summer, and I really enjoyed it. So after that one, I start occasionally reviewing RC cars and trucks when I find them on sale. So I got this Eachine EAT11 4-wheel drive 1/14 scale transition grade, probably between toy and hobby grade RC truck from Banggood. And the price was right. With 2 batteries it came for $32.50 and with the shipping it was just below $35. I think it's a good price for this size of a truck if it performs well. So let's open it up and see if it is good or not. So here it is folks, very basic package, and the batteries are lithium-ion batteries. These are 18650 type 1500 milliamp hour 3.7 volt batteries. I'm hoping that my camera is focusing correctly here. And I have 2 sets, and then there is this small Phillips screwdriver for servicing the car, and this I expect to be, I'm not sure if it is proportional or not. So there is a steering trim, so I'm assuming that this is a proportional control, both the steering as well as the throttle. And this takes 3 AA batteries. Let's put those in immediately to get things ready to go. And then here is the charger, and this is the charging cable that attaches to a USB adapter. So I'm going to start charging one set of the batteries right away. So the light turned on, so it is charging right now. And I'm just going to take the cover off the truck to see inside. So there are these safety clips. You pull them out and the plastic body should just lift up over here. Okay, so the spoiler on the back is integrated to the frame. This is just the top. And by the way, this, if you don't like the color green, which I do, I like to liven it up. I don't want to buy the same one. You can also get this red and black version. So that's also available. So one big selling point of this one for me was the 4-wheel drive. And there is a Dean's connector over here, but it's internally connected. So, and the motor is a large, cool brushed motor, so it's not brushless. And yeah, as you can see, this is the turn is controlled via this servo, and there are ball linkages over here, which is nice. I mean, and then there are active suspensions. I don't think these are oil filled, so it's just basic suspensions with these springs, but all independent 4-wheel suspensions, and again a differential on the back. So 4-wheel drive. It's a nice size, and I'm hoping that I will be able to get with this into the rough terrain or on snow. It is snowy outside, and we will check it soon enough when we go outside if this can actually drive on the snow. So while these 2 batteries are charging, I'm sure there is a little bit of a charge on in this second pack. So I'm going to take this out and install them. Alright, so these open like that, and make sure that you put it with the correct polarity. They just snap in place like that. Just pull it out, put the battery in, snapped this in, and it should be ready to go. And there's an on-off switch on the bottom. And I'm hoping that something won't hit it while you're running it. If something hits here, you know, it's going to put it in the off position. So let me quickly check the manual. The manual is in all English. It's very basic but well described, everything with the diagrams and pictures. And for the first time turning it on, it says turn on both the remote and the truck at the same time within 3 seconds, so they do the binding. So I'm going to switch this one as well as the truck. Did they bind? Oh yeah, they did. As you can see, it's proportional. And the top speed on this one is supposed to be 45 kilometers per hour. That translates to about 28 miles per hour. That's quite fast. This I call, one step above the toy grade because it has proportion control, it has shocks, it has a rechargeable battery and all that. And then here is the steering trim. So if it is going one direction, you can trim it out so it goes straight when the steering wheel is at the center. And then there's another trim. It says HT trim. So I figured out what this HT trim is. Actually, it is the rate for the throttle. So let me put it on the lowest one like this. And see, if I give full throttle, this is the full throttle. Forward and backward. And then I'm going to take it to the max. And now see, full throttle. So it's increasing the top speed and the power on the truck. And I'm also going to check if it does anything. The rates is going to anything on the rates of the turn. So this is highest and this is lowest on that HT trim. It doesn't make any difference. So this only controls the throttle sensitivity. By the way, it also has 2 LED lights in the front, which is a nice touch because then you can drive it in the evening in the dark. So we'll give some orientation. So I am going to start with the lowest setting on that rate adjustment. So it's going to start slow in the close quarters here. So this is full throttle. Let me show you. And full back. So it makes it nice and controllable. It slows down a little bit during the turns, so it's and can make really nice and tight turns, you can see. And now let me show it at maybe somewhere in between, not all the way up, but in the middle. It definitely makes it faster, quicker off the line. Okay, let's try the death wish. I'm just giving like short bursts because it accelerates so quickly. And these are not even the fully charged batteries, it's the second set. I'm just didn't want to wait all the way for the charging, so oh. Whoa! Okay, I'm a little out of my element here. I usually fly things, not drive things on line of sight, so this is a lot of power for this little guy. Okay, what do I think so far? I love it. I love the power, that the way it just jumps out of the line. Probably those of you who are into hobby grade trucks are laughing at me, but I'm really having a lot of fun with this one. Now I'm going to go outdoors with the fully charged batteries, the other set, and try this on really soft deep snow and see if it will be able to ride. Probably not, but if it doesn't, then I'll go to the areas with the packed snow. So see you outdoors. Now we are out in the local park, and as you can see, it is quite deep snow. We had a big winter storm yesterday in Boston area. We got, I think, close to 2 feet of snow, so I don't know if it's going to do well. It first looked quite big to me in the house because this is my largest RC truck to date. 1/14 scale. The previous one, the largest one, was 1/18. The Speed Pioneer that I got for my birthday. And this is all-wheel drive, but look at the tires. I don't think they are going to bite, so I put it on that foam piece to get it started. I'm going to set the rates somewhere in the middle so I can get a little bit of oomph. And let's see. I mean, I'm trying to go on the flat section. Either it's going to sink or it's going to succeed. Let's see. And it immediately sank, and it's not going anywhere. So, you know, give it to my inexperience with these kind of things. So I need to find a section where I can get this to go. Let's see if it's going to do better in our driveway. This is packed snow here. Yeah, definitely. Yeah. The four-wheel drive definitely helps on this kind of conditions. Whoa. Alright, I'm going to increase the rates to the highest value. Let's see how it does now. Whoa! I hope it is waterproof. I think I need to do another video. I need to make another video when it's nice and dry. But this is fun as well. I wish I had just more space to do these shenanigans. But before I do that, I would like to see if this can jump, fly. Let's see if that makeshift ramp is going to work. No, I didn't have enough momentum. Get some speed going. Yeah, it does. Woo! Nice job, little guy. Oh, you're stuck. Come on, you can make it. You are four-wheel drive. Stuck. Whew. Snow everywhere. No, not into the trash can. Come out. So let's try another one. Let's see if I can get it from a better angle. Yeah. Oh, upside down now. Not bad. It's really quick. I'm enjoying this one, but I need a bigger one for these kind of days, I guess. Stuck again. This is more difficult than I expected. Controlling it in the snow. Has a lot of power though, I can tell. Very nice Eachine, and for $35. Oh. Alright, one more time. Whoa, this should be a little easier in the middle section. Nice, that was a nice one, at least for me. Alright folks, I think you got the idea. I really like it, and I'm glad I purchased this one, and for $35 you cannot go wrong in my opinion. So here it is, Eachine EAT11. I don't know if they call it EAT or EAT. EAT11 in green and black. And I hope you enjoyed this review. Please stay tuned. I have more RC cars and I'm waiting for better days. Hope to see you on the next video. Stay safe and healthy. Take care. Bye bye.